Hi all, welcome back to another session. So in our previous session, we learned about doing deployments using Jenkins and also used a source version control as the GitHub. And we used a third-party tool called Git Bash to commit the code to GitHub. So in this session, let's see how we can download and install all these components. So let's start. So first, I'll be going to create my GitHub account. So in order to do that, just go to github.com and click on sign up, and it shows you this messages you need to enter your password, enter your username. First you need to verify whether the username is present. It says it is not present. No, just add some numbers. Yeah, it says it is available and it is your preference. I would select no. And we need to solve one puzzle here. So yeah, so once the puzzle is solved, it gives you an option to create an account, and it gives you an OTP. So you can check your email for the password and all. If you go to your account, you should have some password. Going to enter my password here. Password is this. Just enter your details here. Now you are ready to play with GitHub. Your account is created. Select your plan. Yes, now you're ready with your account. So here, go here and create your repository and all those things. So this is how you create a GitHub account. So let me still park it here, and let me now go for a tool which we use it for committing the code. Say git bash. Yes, I'll go to Git for Windows and download it. So it is downloading in my system now. Give it some time. So the version which we are downloading is 2.42.0.2. 0.2. So and in Git, I think it will give you some initial commands also, like how to create and all. Git init or something. Give my repository as first. Repository. Depends on your requirement whether you want it to be private or something. You can do it. See, these are all the commits, the commands which we can use. Yeah. So let's keep it as is, and let's go back to our prompt. And yes, my Git is here. Install this. Yes. Next. You can install wherever you want. I would prefer this in my D drive. See it as or let me just go and create some GitHub, something. Browse it from here. D installables. Click next. So you can select whatever you want here. You want if you are comfortable with the Git Bash only, you can do it. I'm comfortable with Git GUI. I kept it here. So you can select whatever you want. If you want to receive updates and all, you can do that. Click next. If you want a different folder, yeah, you can do it. I'll just leave it as is. Select, keep it default. Yeah, next. Click next. Click next. 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 Then install. Let's give it some more time. And it will install the Git GUI here and Git Bash also. So it is done. You can view the release notes or you can launch it. So I will launch my Git Bash. So let's go back to our this thing and try this. Whether these things work or not. First, let's do these things as is. Yeah, okay. And then do Git in it. Let's see what's the version. Yeah, it already work. Yes. See users user. So it's here. See users user. See the readme.txt got created. Let's say git init here. See the git folder got created. Now let's keep git add readme. Yeah, that's it. And now let's do a commit. See it committed. And now let's move it to a branch. It is done. Now let's move to the remote system, remote hub where our thing is there. Paste it. See, it got pushed there. Now let's push it to the Git origin main. So same thing. Okay. Since it is using my previous credentials script, Abhijit. So this is how you generally the details like push the details to the GitHub repository. You need to log in using the separate thing and do it. That's how you do it. So this is fine. You can change the details and all. Uh, Details and all, like say where you wanted to install and where you wanted to push and all those things. So once the push is done, then it will go into this repository once the push is successful. In a previous video, if you see, I pushed it to the repository using the other user. So now let's download Jenkins, which is used for code pipelines and all. Download the Jenkins. Go here and check Windows. Jenkins now. By default, it runs on localhost 8080. If you wanted to change the ports and all, yes, that you can do it. And it also be used to, like, we can add what do you say, the daemon service as start as service. You can even do that, so it survives the server restarts or the system restarts whenever that happens. So I generally prefer to add it as service, so that if my system should got shut down due to the Windows updates or some other errors, so that's still being taken care by the services.msc. So it is getting downloaded. Just give it some more time. And by the way, it's still taking time there. So let it complete downloading, but I already have the installable with me. It's the same thing. Yeah. Click next. Install Jenkins to the Jenkins. Let me change it and keep it as yeah. Jenkins install next. Keep it as run as service. This. Let's see the port. Your port is available. Click next. You can give the software AG Java thing here. Go to SAG, JVM, JVM. Okay. Next, I'll keep it as no firewall exception or something. Then click next and click install. Click yes. So that's how you install the Jenkins. And if you go to services.msc and then click on Jenkins. See, this is starting. I still kept it as, so it's localhost colon 8080. The server is running successfully. It should open. Give it some time. The first time it takes a bit of time, then later on subsequent runs, it will come fast. So it is running in the background now. So it will take some time to come up. So you will be able to see it based on these things. Stop the service or restart and all those things. And even I kept this software AG thing and the what do you say, the the JDB, sorry, the Oracle servers which are used for database insertion has daemons, and even the software AG details like server, my first server, second server, MWS, and the runtime and universal messaging as daemon. So this survives the server restart failures or something in that. Okay. This is how you log into Jenkins and do it. Giving the same credentials as this. Okay. It has taken my previous credentials which I've given and it is installed it. Thank you. So this is how you install GitHub. Create the account in GitHub, create Git Bash and Jenkins. Download Jenkins and do the develop. I mean, create the Jenkins. Thank you.